Giuseppe, what are you doing?
Well, I'm finally back on the vet. Every time I would come work on it, something would come along and I would have to stop what I'm doing.
What are you putting together here?
Well, I'm putting the exhaust on and doing all that.
Okay.
So I figured, remember the Triumph?
Yeah.
That's another customer car. It needs a clutch. So I figured I would bring that in. After I'm done with the exhaust on the vet, I would jump on this. Did you know that when you do a clutch on this car, everything comes out to the top? Transmission, drive shaft. So you gotta take the seats out. There's a cover in the middle of the car. You take that out and everything's in front of you.
Cool looking car, isn't it?
It is. It's like a go-kart. I figured since you got nothing going on, you do now.
What?
You can do those window guards.
I could do them right on the frame machine.
Yes, I moved the Lincoln off.
Alright, I'll do that.
Go nuts.
Alright, let's do it.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
F1. There you go, driver's seat is out.
Coffee break time! Coffee break.
Espresso con di cappuccino.
Yeah, whatever you say. There you go. Push forward. Nice and careful. Nice and careful. Here, unplug it. Nice and careful, like a professional. Okay, this is your antenna plug. Yeah. It looks like this thing. That's the antennas. You see this? This is your lock for the sleeve. Okay. Now, when you put it back together, you're gonna separate these two. Look, in case you got one car, you got another, you need more space, it's got two locks. All right, so when you put it back in, this goes in this way. Take your two tabs, you bend this down first, and then you lock the radio in place. So anywho, there you have it.
Alright, I gotta take the knob off. Oh wait, it's threaded?
You hear it? Sure, it's a real car, not this shit today.
Hey, the little button underneath they gotta hold with the button in the exhaust. And then you've gotta take the headlight out. Then you gotta go next door and mow the grass. And then you gotta do some kind of a rain dance and then the knob comes off. I don't think so.
The rain dance? What's the rain dance? Show me.
Shit like that.
You actually do that. Well, here, I got it.
All right, now you got to do it very, very carefully. Slide. Don't forget, these parts are aftermarket. They're not from Triumph. I don't know if that's better or worse. I'm not sure. This should slide out. I don't think there's anything bolted on the inside. Nice, nice and easy. And here's your fiberglass cover. Now, sometimes you got to make things work. What are you going to do? The company that makes the rug, they measured it like this. And there's nothing you're going to do. This is the best one you could probably buy. They were like, how long do I make the tunnel that goes over the whole thing? They're like this. They're like, here's my tape measure. I got the measurement. So they come over and they make them too big. They put this chunk of foam here to compensate for an area that was too big to fill it in. If not, you know what happens? It gets concaved.
Yeah.
Then it really looks like, pooh, boy.
I think it was Mr. Bean. He went like this. He measured something. He was like,
Yeah, basically, yeah. Nice and careful. There you go.
I'll take it from here. I don't like
The consistency of a cheese sandwich, see? And there's your trans. What a beautiful transmission. Look at these trans mounts. Holy
wow, the drive
shit.
shaft is right here.
I know that. I told you that.
Oh my god, they're all loose.
No. Holy shit, why are they all loose? They are.
There it
Slave
is.
cylinder, this is your,
Line, whatever
they
you
got
call
pretty
it.
excited with that line. It's not supposed to be all you needed. All you needed is to be like from here to here, and that's it. There you go. That's the drive shaft. Giuseppe, how far did you get it?
Pretty good. Doing the transmission mount right now.
Okay.
On both sides. I got one bolt on the top with the bell housing in. All the rest of the bolts are out for the bell housing. Right. And there's one bolt for the starter. I'm not going to take the starter completely out, because if that's the case, I gotta take the fuel pump out because the starter doesn't come out from the bottom. You got a subframe there, so it only comes out from the top. And I'm just gonna slide it forward, disconnect it from the bell housing.
Yeah, okay, that's
And
all.
then just
you can
take
leave
the
it under
train
there.
there.
You don't have to take it
Yeah.
out. You don't be mad. See this bracket? You might have to take this off.
Why would I be mad about
Because the
that?
transmission's gonna hit that when you go to take it out.
I'm not gonna be mad about that. It's okay.
Yeah, turn it. Get it out. Pull. Okay, pull. Make sure that the bell housing on top isn't hitting on. Just make sure I'm not hitting any wires, okay?
So, done.
Hey, do the end.
Oh my god, so
Watch my cigar! And there's your train. This car is a 1-year pressure plate. When I ordered a pressure plate for this car, it's gonna go wonderful.
see, the thing is, that's a big pressure plate.
That's the way
Dude,
it's made.
it's literally this
The
big.
size of the pressure plate is leverage for the starter to turn the engine. Then in the middle, very narrow, the clutch is only about this big. This is a little tiny thing. I think it's 1100cc engine. Anyway, now you gotta take the pressure plate off, take the clutch out. But see how neat, how beautiful, how clean, nice.
Easy.
That's the way you work on cars. Look at your transmission mount, look. An eraser top has more consistency. Look at the little adorable. Here's your throttle bearing.
Yep.
Right? This opens and closes the clutch. This is where your slave cylinder was.
Yeah.
Well, this actually has another hole here that connects right here on the fork. You know, the complaint for this car was, well, the clutch wasn't all that, but
Wait a minute.
it's a little,
Does that mean
it's
that
a little.
the leverage is not enough, and that's why it's so hard to push?
Yeah, he's saying that the pedal was pretty hard, and that might be a result of it. So I'm gonna have to look into the slave cylinder if they make one that comes in and out through here. It could even be the pressure plate.
Yeah, I
That
know,
The
yeah.
springs are too hard for racing. I don't know what you're gonna race with this thing. I told you they make a couple different
Harold.
kinds. A Harold,
It's all the
a
same
Vitesio, or something or another. So what happened was that car, 2-door sedan model
The Harold.
of that car. I think the whole car is based on all the same parts. All
The
three-
mechanics of the
all three
car
cars.
is...
So I think they use the same
basically the
transmission.
same thing.
I don't know if they're independent. I think they're solid axles. the
I don't
other
know
ones.
about that, but the
But anyway, the engine,
trans,
the transmission, yeah, stuff
it's
like that.
all the same,
So
yeah.
this, on the Harold, I don't think is there. Then again, I don't know. They're all different. It's years ago.
Yeah.
It's a long time ago. We used to work on these things every day. So what happens is this bulkhead right here, this whole piece right here, these 4 bolts come off, and there would be another different kind of application for your shifter to come out, and
Right.
it's a little longer, but it comes, you know, on a 45-degree angle, like the old Volvos or
Yeah.
the old Opals. They had a long shifter,
Yeah.
because they had the room to send it. This is a very low car, so they have to give you this
Yeah, it's like a
contraption.
sports car, yeah. So yeah.
Well, let's start looking into parts and then see where we go.
Well, that's that. We're gonna try to find some parts for this now, so we're gonna hold off. Let's go see what my father's doing. Shotgun it.
I'm making window guards. Not fancy.
Oh wait, are you? Is this for that armored car?
What armored car? It's for thing. I'm gonna
You-
paint them. I gotta make 3 of these and then one of a smaller one.
Nice, bro.
Oh yeah.
What else you doing?
That's it. Right now.
Are you the one that lit up the fountain?
Very nice. Make sure it's not hot and pick it up. Up. There you go.
Nothing is ever gonna get as beautiful as
you
that.
gotta just trim the 2 ends. So see the sides?
Trying to flatten me over here.
No. You just
Yeah,
cut these. That's it.
fine. All right. Well, the Triumph. We're waiting for parts. Waiting for the clutch to come in and all that. After I get that in, I can start assembling the whole car back together. And for the Corvette, I'm waiting for a fuel rail and a couple other parts to get the car running. And we're gonna make another 2 window guards, and that's about it. So you guys are probably wondering why my bench is here. I got too lazy to keep going back to the bench. No, I'm kidding. The bench is here is because we're getting a new heater installed, a bigger unit, right?
Yep. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. It's actually a decent sun. We don't even have lights on.
Well, give us
That's better. I'm so sad.
about what?
There's something missing in this garage that hasn't been missing for 8 months, and now it's gone.
What, your car?
My Pontiac is
Well, we don't
gone.
fit. We don't fit.
I know we don't fit. I want it. I want it.
We don't fit.
No, I
Go
know,
get
but
it Tuesday. We
I
told
know.
you not to.
I miss it.
And you know what? In the process.
For next week and until next week. But while we're
Till
getting
next week is what I'm
but
trying to say.
While we're getting to the next week, taking over the world. One set of projects with Triumphs and Corvettes and heaters and window guards and him getting mad at his cigar at a time. Kikimomo cigars at a time.
Well, always.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.